In the lookup, search material receipt -GRN. Click New Record. Select the item received date. Enter the supplier name. Select the warehouse and click Create Lines From. Select the purchase order. Here in material receipt, it will show the purchase order related to the particular supplier. So for this purchase order, 3 items are there. For example, white rice, we received out of 15 kg, we received only 10 kg. So make it 15 as 10. Green rice, we received 20 kg. So no need to change anything. For mixed rice, we received 20 kg. So we can change this 25 to 20. Tick. Give complete. Now the material is received successfully. Now we can create the invoice. So click this button, Generate Invoice from Receipt. Click the invoice and give OK. Now the invoice is created in drafted mode.